Alright guys, welcome back. So today I took two trades. The first one was a loss. Honestly, not really mad about this, but it was a really good trade. I took another entry right here, so I actually broke my rule. My rule is that I should only take one trade a day. It doesn't matter the PNL or the outcome. But yeah, I took this entry because I was so sure that price will actually go to all-time highs. But yeah, I went break even around here, and price after going like halfway through actually came back here and took my break even, and then literally like straight up just shot up. And yeah, that's all. Let's get into the recap for today. Alright, so starting from the hourly time frame, price was really bullish. Honestly, there wasn't much going on since we're near the all-time highs. You guys really should be bullish, targeting this extreme draw on liquidity. I mean, the strong draw on liquidity over here. And I was just waiting for price to actually invert this hourly gap, which is the last one in this massive, retrace. So after this, just a pullback into a 15-minute and then target higher to the all-time highs. Not a 5 minute, only because there is no, high time frame sponsorship because price isn't respecting any high time frame gaps. So the 15-minute in itself, it is a high time frame gap. So that's what I was looking for. So after market open, we had this 15-minute gap, which price did not come into, and I mean there was no pullback into this 15-minute gap. So price just straight up went higher, and we edged this gap right here. I mean this drawn liquidity right here. And so we created another 15-minute right here. I was actually waiting for price to pull back into this and then catch a continuation higher. So at the 1 minute, price came into this 15-minute gap right here, and we had this inverse right here. This was also a 2 minute inverse. So once the price broke this inverse right here, I actually entered here, targeting all-time high, and this was my stop loss. And as you guys can see, boom, price just went straight into my stop loss. So after waiting for a bit, I should have actually just closed my PC and just went away with the day. But I actually was really sure that price would have gone to this all-time highs. So strong drawn liquidity. But yeah, it's just an excuse because I actually broke my rule. But yeah, let's just get into this trade and how did I take this. So after price actually came into this 15-minute gap right here, I was looking at this, and this was also a 15-minute gap in on ES. So ES also traded into this gap. After the sweep into this 15-minute gap, we also took this lows right here. You guys can say like a stop hunt or something like that. We broke right here. So this was my entry, stop loss right here, and then target was all-time highs. I actually went break even at this high right here. And yeah, price just kind of went higher, took my break even, and then at the end, I think it just went to TP. But overall, this was the day. It's done A plus setup. But yeah, the sad thing is that I actually broke one of my rules, and hopefully I can actually, continue to follow my rules, and we can actually make some sense. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.